D&D Sports can be found on all social media, including Instagram. We are also now a full-service Traxxas exclusive dealer.
Hey, welcome back, D&D Sports fans, and it's been a slow week in the RC shop, and as you can see, we have 4 boxes. This is all we got this week coming in. I will promise you next week's orders are already in, so the packages will be a little bit more next week. So we're going to start with this little one. I think there's only one part in here. Yep, as you can see, that is a replacement Millennium 3500 motor. And we got 3 more boxes left. This one here looks like an orange Defender body and some other parts in there. We'll pull everything out and check it out. Alright guys, I need 2 hands to pull everything out of that big long box, but as you can see, I ended up getting 3 Traxxas banners, and next week I will show you what my plan is with those Traxxas banners. So they are not going to be for sale. Those are going to be for a project that I'm working on inside the store. But in the final clip of this video, I'll roll one out, so anybody that hasn't seen the Traxxas banners, I'll have it laying on the table. And in the last box, I ended up getting 2 trucks. We got the VR46 Slash, and we got a Sport. I'm not quite sure what color it is. We'll pull it out and check it out. Alright, so here is everything that Traxxas banners laid across the table. Maybe I should just get one of those and start doing all my videos with it, but maybe it looks a little too busy. But these are all the parts that came in. So these are all restock parts. Nothing new here. We've got a blue TRX4 Sport, of course the VR46. Again, more of the 8610s. Those are popular. I did get something new here. I got the dealer catalog, and this looks like it has all the nitros, wheels and tires, parts and accessories. And if you've never seen these laying around your hobby shop, they are all the exploded views and then all the available parts that Traxxas offers for every model. So I got the first edition earlier in the year, and that was all the electric models. And then this one's the new Nitro model. I also requested one for the Trax. As you can see here, this is a little bit older catalog. They must not have made a new one yet, but it does offer all the parts and all the Trax trucks that they have. So if I need to locate a part or something like that, I can refer to these books, and that'll help me order the proper part for the customer. Okay, so as you can see, this is everything for the week. If there's any parts or things that you want me to purchase, or just so you could maybe get a set of eyes on them and look at a part or something from Traxxas, let me know down in the comments. If there's something that I can order, I'll surely try to get it in and kind of debut that part for you. But I'm looking forward to these banners being hung up in the store next week. I'm also going to show you something else that we're going to be working on in next week's video. Maybe get some ideas from you guys. Maybe have you share some pictures or something with me over on our Facebook page. Alright, well thanks for watching, and please click that subscribe button, turn on that bell to get notified anytime we release new videos.